Welcome, dear students. Welcome to my class. Today we will discuss a very interesting topic. However, let us first know the identity of your teacher. And this is the picture of your teacher, and beside the picture you are getting the teacher's identity. A.K.M. Abdul Hamid Bhuiyan, head of the Department of English, along with the government college, along with Rangamari. Okay, now let's move to our class. Let us watch some pictures. There's a nice picture of a boy with a snack in his hand. Next, a young man. Picture of a very young man. This is the picture of a hero-like picture, and another picture of a young man who must have done something great, and that's why he is making pleasure here. Another picture in a sitting position of a young man. Now let us, you have already got some pictures before you, and from that picture you can understand today we will discuss a very interesting topic, the announcement of the lesson. The teacher is standing before the class and telling, today we will study on. What do you see? This is Hercules. Today's class will be on Hercules, a mythical character, a Greek hero. Of course, you must know this. That is given in your syllabus. Okay, let's start to our class. Students' learning outcome. Students will be able to tell the meaning of some words. Describe the first lever of Hercules. Describe the second lever of the Hercules. Describe the reasons for calling Hercules a hero. Okay. Actually, this is the second part of this lesson. The first class was taken in the previous class. Now we will take the second class in the second part of this lesson, that is Hercules. Okay, look at the slide. His next task, so you understand, the first task was done in the previous class. His next task was to slay a monster called Hydra that was ravaging the country of Argos. Do you understand? This is next task that was given to Hercules was to slay or to kill the monster named Hydra, because Hydra was ravaging or disturbing the country of Argos. This is one of the country that was governed by his cousin, by his cousin. Okay, you see, Hydra, a man was trying her to kill or to vanish the Hydra, that has many heads. Okay, now next slide. The Hydra had 9 heads. Yes, different types of heads. Many heads are seen in the picture. The Hydra had 9 heads. Among them, the middle one was said to be immortal. It is also written in the passage. The middle one was very critical, and because it is immortal. So the Hydra had 9 heads. The heads are shown in the picture. This critical thing. Our hero struck off its head. Yes, the hero was trying to attack the Hydra, and he struck off its heads with his glove. But whenever he knocked off head, two new ones erupted in its place. Because if if he wants to stuck the head of the Hydra, then from that place two new heads erupted, and this is a dangerous situation. So eventually, at last, with the help of his devoted servant Iolaus, you see the picture of Iolaus, and that is the series of Hercules. In the TV show we got this picture also. However, eventually, with the help of his devoted servant Iolaus, Hercules succeeded in burning all the heads. If the Hydra except ninth of or immortal one, which he decided to bury down a huge rock. Actually, our hero Hercules took a different technique to vanish the middle one, that was immortal, as it cannot be killed. It should be buried, and that's why he used a huge rock to bury the ninth head. And it's really a mythical character, you can understand. Now, single work, you see, we have already got the passage in the earlier slides. Who gave Hercules all the levers? You must know this, very easy. What was the first lever of Hercules? This is also known to you. This is a very simple question, you see. Now, Hercules triumphed again and again, as he would every time he saw given he was given an impossible task by Eurystheus. You see, Hercules triumphed. That means he got the success every time. The hind, the horses, the bull, the stable, and the bar. Actually, these stories are not given in your syllabus. However, according to the mythical story, there were 12 levers. That's why the name was given in the passage, 12 levers of Hercules. So, okay. Now, because of 12 levers, Hercules began to acquire a reputation of a hero, possessing immense strength throughout the world. This is very surprising thing, that we got our hero to be a very strong man, because he possesses immense strength, that is not natural, supernatural power he got. There's another picture of Hercules that is taken from the drama series of Hercules. Okay. Pair work. Discuss Hercules' second lever. You must know the lever of killing the Hydra. Discuss now it. What did he do with Hydra's middle head? You must know the story, because all the heads were immortal, but except the middle one. So middle one was the problem. Middle one was solved with a different technique. Now, tell the technique here. You see a picture of Hydra here. Evaluation. Which of the following statements seem to be true, false, and which true? Hydra ended up burying all parts of Hydra. Hercules ended up burying all parts of Hydra. That is very simple sentence. You can answer what is true or false. Every time he was given an impossible task, Hercules succeeded in doing it. That is also understandable from the previous slide. The picture of home, so you can understand. This is your homework. Write a paragraph on Hercules. Okay, you should prepare this. Take preparation on this passage from part 1 and